Child, I look so good, like, period. Hey everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. We're gonna be going to the mall because I need to find an outfit. Fingers crossed that I can find something in this one mall trip. Oh, and by the way, I'm wearing my infamous fall outfit. Like, if you know me, I'm gonna wear this joint down in the fall. I have on my Alexander Wang sweatsuit. So cute. All right, let me get my glasses because I need new contacts, y'all. Like, I'm just all over the place if I'm being for real. I have not worn these glasses in forever. They feel so funny. For all of like my glasses girlies, do it feel weird when you like wear an old pair of glasses that you haven't worn in a while? It feels weird for me. That's why I need to get some new contacts because I'm just starting to like I'm starting to dislike having stuff on my face. Like, I've been wearing glasses for so long and I would only wear my contacts if I was like going out or something. But it's starting to get to the point where it's just like, I'm just annoyed with having like glasses on my face. It's weird. What else was I about to say? So, y'all, we're gonna be doing our own gel manicures and stuff now. I'm trying to cut the cost on a lot of stuff. And going to the nail salon is kind of getting cut out of the budget. I'm really about to start doing my own nails. I bought a gel manicure set, including the UV light and everything. We're gonna just have a weekend of getting ourselves together for this Black Nurses Rock Gala on Sunday. Let's go though, because it's time to go. I'm at my time where I said I wanted to leave out. I'll either catch y'all in the car or at the mall. This is so cute. I seen this online and it caught my eye online. They got it in the store. Maybe I could try it on just for fun. These are the items I'm trying on for the gala. Hey y'all, good afternoon. Please don't kill me, but why am I just realizing that I did not freaking vlog today like how I was supposed to? So first of all, I had this grandiose plan. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take y'all to the hairstylist with me and I'm gonna take y'all to Target with me and Zara. I took y'all to Zara with me a little bit, but I ended up just talking to Shauna. That's my stylist. I ended up just talking to Shauna the whole time. Like, I forgot I was supposed to be recording content. I found my gala outfit and I just ended up picking up a few more pieces because I haven't went shopping in so long. I gained a few pounds, child, so I can't fit none of my clothes. So I had to go get like some clothes and stuff. And I need to do some more shopping, but you know, I'm just a girl. I'm just a fucking girl, and a girl that's not about to be spending all this money. So when I get in the house, I will show y'all what I got from Target. I look cute though. I gotta start getting my hair done more often. Like, I really don't get my hair done that much, but it's because I work out. So I don't get my hair done that much because I like to work out. And it's like, child, I would never be able to maintain this hair and being in the gym. Like, so I'll get my hair done like once every 2 months, and then I'll do it myself if I'm going somewhere. But I just gotta find my way with it. But anyway, yeah, I'll show you guys everything I got from the mall and from Target and stuff when I go in the house. Hey y'all, I just got back in the house for running my errands, child. Let me show y'all the stuff I got from Zara. I'm not trying it on. Y'all gonna see it whenever I decide to put the outfits on. I'm not trying it on. And I'll show y'all the cute stuff I got from Target. I'm gonna start with these trousers. They like parachute trouser pants. I think they super duper cute. These what they look like. They a little wrinkle, of course. They have like a drawstring at the bottom as well, so you can like wear them like more tighter on your ankle, or you could wear them looser. And if I could find a picture of the stuff on the website, I'll link it so you guys can see it better on the models and stuff. So this is one of the things that I got. And I don't know, like, I just found this shirt so attractive. I was like a glittery ensemble, so cute. I think it's cute just to pair it with some jeans or the pants I just showed y'all, some leather pants. I don't really know about a skirt, but you know, like, you could fuck this up with something like nice, I would say. Just to let y'all know, I went to the Zara that's in Cherry Hill Mall. I guess I'm just attracted to glitter, or like, you know, this color scheme of things, because I picked this dress up too. This is so cute. So it was only like 35 bucks. It fits so nice, but I was gonna wear this to the gala on Sunday, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna save this for something else. But she's a cutie. I also picked up a fragrance. I love Zara fragrances. Y'all remember when Kyra had everybody running out to go get ebony wood? And I was one of the people that ran out to get ebony wood. I got this number 2 Splendid Bronze perfume. This is what she looks like. Like, you can't go to Zara and not get a perfume if you're into their fragrances. It smells like a dream. I would say this has like a floral aura to it. It smells so good. Let me tell y'all what the notes are. Hold on. So it has jasmine, orange flower, orchid flower, heightened with a magnetic note of cashmere wood and black vanilla, which is so on brand for me because I love like vanilla scents and floral scents like mixed into one. And I have one more thing to show y'all. This goes off. When I tell y'all this is like my favorite purchase I purchased today. Oh, she is so effing cute. You can't tell me. Excuse me, you cannot tell me this is not cute. It's so stinking cute. I could probably pair it with the pants I bought or something. So these are the items I got from Zara. Super duper cute. And let me show y'all some of the fun stuff I got from Target. I'm not about to get into all the other stuff. I got these cute bowls on clearance. They was on sale for $5 a bowl. Like, you literally couldn't beat it. And the original price was $10. I was gonna get one, but I'm like, should I get 2? Like, you always gotta have a matching pair of something. So this is super duper cute. I always check out the clearance items at Target because why not? And then I got this cute little pumpkin thing. I know y'all seen this when y'all was in Target, child. It's so cute. It's $10. Just a little wooden pumpkin. But I wanted to tell y'all, are y'all into the Olipop sodas? I freaking love the Olipop brand sodas. I mainly get the orange squeeze and the strawberry vanilla. Those are my favorites. But I actually picked up, I never had either one of these. So they say it's good. I'm gonna check them out. But yeah, since I didn't take y'all with me in the stores, I at least had to show y'all what I got. My bad. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So as promised, I told you guys I was going to do my nails with y'all. I apologize in advance for my speech. If my speech sounds slurred, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get back in the habit of wearing my retainers because I had braces and my teeth is starting to shift. So yeah, if I sound a little that's because I got my retainers in. But anyway, so yeah y'all, I got my colors and I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. I was thinking about going for like a dark gray vibe, but I don't know. Also, I'm gonna buff my nails with this nail buffer thing that I got from Five Below. So I have my base coat, which I'm gonna put on first. Then I got my top coat. And then it also comes with a matte top coat if you're interested in that, but I'm not gonna do all of that today. I do not know how this thing works, child. Oh. Oh. Why didn't I think that I needed batteries for this? Action. I thought what the woo. We got action.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop. She be in a group. Brody want a friend. Don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing. Bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more. Get ready, pack to go, y'all. People probably think I show up. Ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit. Staying off the internet. Share the stage, Billy Island. Turn any given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to you.
I'm all done my nails. Of course, a few imperfections, but they cute. They gonna seal the deal for the day. These are super duper cute. Anyway, I know I look like a little boy right now. I'm about to start getting dressed, getting my life together. These are super duper cute though. And yeah, let's start getting dressed for the gala. Hey friends, this is the finished result, child. I look so good, like, period. Let me show y'all how good I look. I'm heading out to be on my way to the Black Nurses Rock Gala, but I just wanted to show y'all my dress. This is what the dress is giving, child. I got this little cute mama from Zara. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be vlogging on my phone because I don't have a big enough bag to vlog on my camera, so I'm definitely gonna be vlogging on my phone. I took me some pics. Hopefully I like the way they come out. But yes, I am on my way to the Black Nurses Rock Philadelphia Gala, and I will see you guys at the gala. Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am.
How we started our chapter. So we started this chapter actually in March of 2022. So we're almost coming up on 2 years.
She holds a master's degree in nursing leadership and education and a doctoral degree in nursing leadership. The motto, you heard it before, to serve those in vulnerable communities, to educate with screenings, to prevent disease and health disparities. This organization provides nursing scholarships annually, and our chapter has done that year after year because of her.
So having said that, let us please welcome Reverend Dr. Marina Marshall-Brooks.
So remember when I talked about being an advocate, right? And having your seat at the table. So this little woman right here, right? Y'all heard her title. She's the president of the Independent Group Health Foundation. So she's making the decisions. So that's why I said we got to get the seats at the table so we can make the decisions. So this is the decision making, right? Your contributions have touched the lives of many. So from one West Philly girl to another.
Hey friends, good evening. Your girl is about to wind down. This concludes my weekend vlog. I had such a great time at the Black Nurses Rock Gala. I met a lot of beautiful people. Get into it. Like, it just felt so good being around so many black people. The energy in the room literally felt like unicorns and sprinkles. Everyone looked amazing. Everyone had good energy and everyone was really nice. I had a good time, and on top of that, y'all, I made a TikTok account and I dropped my first TikTok video. I got 8 followers on TikTok. But no, I'm just proud of myself for dropping some content, because like I've really been chilling all year, but I just had like this revelation, like, girl, get back in your bag. Like, it's time to get back. Like, you stayed down, you did what you supposed to do, you accomplished a part of the mission, but now it's time to like get back, just elevate to the next level. I'm just proud of myself. I'm proud of the woman I am. I'm proud of the confidence that I have. I'm proud of like all of the things that I've been through that was meant to destroy me, didn't do nothing but build me up. One day I'm going to sit on here and talk to y'all about like how 2023 was a mother, okay? Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I really rocked with y'all heavy. Like, I love YouTube. Like, YouTube is my favorite social media platform, because girl, I'm on here with my scarf and I'm in my bed. Like, I would never post anything like this on any other platform. You understand what I'm saying? Like, it's a real connection with my audience that watches me on YouTube and that supports me. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, because a lot of y'all be watching and a lot of y'all not subscribed, and that's just shady. It's fun over here. It's fun, it's realistic, it's healthy, it's a vibe. Anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. Follow me on my social media platforms or whatever. Bye guys.